How to program your ESC. Are you ready to take control of your remote control vehicle? Programming your electronic speed controller is a key step in ensuring your RC toy performs at its best. Let's break down how to do it step by step. First, it is essential to understand the basics of your electronic speed controller. This component regulates the power sent to your motor based on the throttle input from your transmitter. It uses pulse width modulation to adjust the motor speed smoothly. Many electronic speed controllers also come with a battery eliminator circuit to power your receiver and servos. Next, let's connect your electronic speed controller properly. Start by attaching the 3 motor wires to the electronic speed controller. If the motor spins in the wrong direction, you can change the order later. Then, connect the power leads to the battery, making sure the polarity is correct to avoid damage. Finally, plug the signal wire from the electronic speed controller into the throttle channel of your receiver, which is usually channel 3. Now it's time to enter programming mode. Most electronic speed controllers have a specific sequence to follow. First, turn on your transmitter and set the throttle stick to full throttle. Then, connect the battery to the electronic speed controller. You will hear a series of beeps, which indicates that it has entered programming mode. After that, you need to calibrate the throttle range. Once you hear the initial beeps, quickly lower the throttle stick to the minimum position. The electronic speed controller will confirm this with a tone, learning the full throttle and zero throttle positions. This step is vital to ensure the electronic speed controller accurately interprets your transmitter's throttle range. Next, you can adjust various settings on your electronic speed controller. Depending on the model, you might be able to program options like brake on or off, motor direction, timing, battery type, and start mode. Programming is usually done by cycling through options using throttle stick movements. Some electronic speed controllers may also support programming through a programming card or software. Once you finish programming, disconnect and reconnect the battery. Test the throttle response and motor direction. If the motor spins backward, simply swap any 2 motor wires or change the direction setting in the electronic speed controller. A few practical tips for programming your electronic speed controller include performing the process in a safe, open area to prevent accidents. Always refer to the electronic speed controller manual for specific programming sequences and beep codes. If your electronic speed controller supports programming via a computer or programming card, these tools can make the process easier. Lastly, check for firmware updates if available, as they might improve performance or add new features. By programming your electronic speed controller correctly, you ensure smooth and responsive control of your RC toy's motor, enhancing its performance and protecting your electronics.